Here are 2 recipe ideas for quick and easy 10-minute meals. The first recipe that comes to mind, and one that I am excited to share with you, is a tasty dish that resonates with a Mediterranean vibe. The star of this particular dish is the humble yet versatile shrimp. This unique crustacean is a staple in many, due to its wonderful taste and high nutritional value. It adds a distinctive flavor profile to any dish, and in this case, it will add a touch of the sea to our quick and easy meal. Our shrimp will be accompanied by the equally versatile pasta. Pasta, which is a carbohydrate-rich food, is a perfect canvas for flavors. Pasta comes in various shapes and sizes, each with a unique way of holding on to the sauce. But for this recipe, you can use any type of pasta you have on hand. To add some savory depth to the dish, we'll include olive oil. This liquid gold has been a fundamental element in Mediterranean cuisine for thousands of years. The olive oil will not only add an aromatic richness to our dish, but will also serve as a medium for sautéing our ingredients. Garlic, another staple in numerous cuisines worldwide, will provide a comforting and familiar flavor to our dish. Its unique combination of sweet, spicy, and pungent flavors will make this easy meal even more appetizing. We will also add red flakes to give our dish a subtle hint of heat that will build up as you enjoy the meal. White wine, the secret ingredient, will be added next. This addition will enhance and elevate all the flavors. The acidity of the white wine will act as a balance against the richness of the other ingredients, and its fruity notes will work wonders in adding complexity to the overall taste. Cherry tomatoes, a vibrant and sweet ingredient, will add a refreshing touch to our dish. They will burst with flavor in your mouth, providing a fun texture alongside the shrimp and pasta. Parsley will join the ensemble next, its herby freshness creating a beautiful against the warm, hearty pasta and shrimp. The final touch to our dish will be the Parmesan cheese. This hard, granular cheese is known for its nutty and savory flavor, perfect to round off our dish. The cheese melts beautifully into the pasta, enveloping it with a creamy layer that is a delight to the senses. Of course, we should not forget salt and pepper, the fundamental duo in the world. They are essential to season our dish and bring out all the beautiful and distinct flavors of our ingredients. The second dish I would love to guide you through is a breakfast classic with a twist: scrambled eggs with smoked salmon and avocado toast. The core ingredient in this dish is the humble egg, a versatile ingredient that forms the base of countless dishes from desserts to main courses. Cooked the eggs turn into creamy scrambled eggs that are an absolute delight to the palate. The butter will add a rich depth to the eggs, making them silky and heavenly. Milk is added to the eggs to make them fluffy. Whisking them together creates a light and creamy texture that is just beautiful on the palate. To accompany our scrambled eggs, we have a simple yet elegant side whole wheat toast topped with an avocado spread. Using whole wheat bread adds a healthy touch of fiber to our meal. The avocado spread a creamy, refreshing contrast to the warm scrambled eggs. Finally, to make our dish even more special, we add smoked salmon. This unique ingredient will add a sophisticated touch to our meal with its smoky, salty, and slightly sweet flavor. Enjoy these creative, quick, and easy recipes that can be prepared in just 10 minutes. Remember, there are many other quick and easy recipes to explore for inspiration.